Thom here. I just got off of the Blizzard Cochise. Give this guy 5 out of 5 stars. Super stable big mountain ride. The thing is just like a freight train. It'll barrel over anything. Tons of power, tons of edge hold, good excitement and pop out of the end of the turn. But it's really geared for that guy who's going to be off-piste a bit more. Crud, bumps, powder. It's got the guts to be able to straight line through a mogul field. It's super powerful. Definitely requires a bigger or advanced level skier to truly take advantage of it. It does take a lot of effort, but it gives you back what you put into it.